Welcome to the Expensify Tax Software Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are available in the description below. Expensify is an innovative tool designed for individuals, freelancers, and businesses looking to simplify expense tracking and tax preparation. With its intuitive design and automation capabilities, it helps users streamline expense management, organize receipts, and stay compliant during tax season. Expensify's standout feature is its receipt scanning functionality. Using its Smart Scan technology, you can snap a photo of a receipt, and the software automatically extracts details like the amount, date, and vendor, categorizing the expense for tax reporting. This makes it especially useful for self-employed individuals and small businesses managing numerous transactions. It also integrates with major accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, ensuring seamless data transfer for bookkeeping and tax filing. For freelancers and contractors, Expensify simplifies mileage tracking, business-related purchases, and other deductible expenses. It allows users to create detailed expense reports that align with IRS requirements, reducing the time spent preparing for quarterly or annual filings. The software also supports corporate card reconciliation and multi-user collaboration, making it a scalable solution for growing businesses. Another key feature is Expensify's automated approval workflows, ideal for teams or organizations with multiple employees. You can set up policies to control spending, manage reimbursements, and ensure compliance with company or tax regulations. Plus, Expensify supports multiple currencies, which is particularly beneficial for users handling international transactions. Expensify isn't just about expenses. It also helps you generate reports that can be directly shared with accountants or imported into tax preparation software. The mobile app is user-friendly, ensuring you can manage expenses and stay organized on the go. Its tiered pricing structure caters to both individuals and businesses, making it a flexible option. In summary, Expensify is a reliable and efficient solution for managing expenses and preparing for taxes. Whether you're self-employed or part of a larger organization, it simplifies tedious processes, saving time and ensuring accuracy. Check out the links in the description to explore Expensify and see how it can streamline your tax experience.